Hi everyone, this is Claire from the Fun Kitchen. Today I'd like to show another dish, which is steak cubes with onion. Let's see what kind of ingredient we need. Onion, garlic, piece of steak, soy sauce, cooking wine, pepper, sesame oil, and sugar. This is a one-person serving, so if you have more than one person, you can have 1 or 2 more steak if you like. Let's start cooking. And then we will cut it into cubes. So I'm gonna cut this in half. It looks like a cube. First of all, we will add some sesame oil, some black pepper, add some soy sauce, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now we'll prepare some garlic. And we have about 5 to 6 pieces of garlic. So I'll just leave it like this. So now we'll prepare the onion. We'll cut both ends. So first of all, we'll cut it in half and peel the skin off. Cooking the beef cubes, first of all, we need to turn the fire up high. Oil. Put the garlic in first. Let the garlic burn to yellow, and then we put in the onion. Here we can see a little bit of burn in the garlic now. Put in the onion. If you think it's too dry, you can actually add a little bit of water. So that way it will cook a lot faster. Because we're using the steam to cook it instead of dry cook. So look at this, it's pretty much dry up now. Okay, now we can turn the fire off. So we serve this onion for later use. We turn the fire back up, high. Add a little bit of oil. Again, let the garlic burn, cook to a little bit burn, and then we can put in the beef. Okay, remain high fire, and we put in all the beef now. Should be ready now. Look at this. Looks really nice. And now we put in all the onions. Mix them. Let's see. Medium rare. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave your comment, like, and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you for watching. See you next video.